Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను మార్చ్ 2020కి సంబంధించి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేవి చేస్తున్నాను. పార్ట్ బి. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో పార్ట్ ఏ అనేది చేశాను. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్. Bipasa Chakravarti was recently appointed as the communications director of the which technology company's Indian Army? Option A, Amazon. Option B, Facebook. Option C, Google. Option D, Microsoft. Answer just say option B, Facebook. Second bit. Union Ministry of Women and Child Development organized a discussion on the future of work, women in India's workforce. Is association with which global organization? Option A, World Bank. Option B, UN Women. Option C, United Nations. Option D, International Labour Organization. Answer just say option A, World Bank. Third bit. Which state has recently launched a digital literacy program titled I Am Also Digital? Option A, Odisha. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Answer just say option B, Kerala. Fourth bit. Ankita Raina, who was making news recently, is associated with which sports? Option A, badminton. Option B, tennis. Option C, squash. Option D, table tennis. Answer just say option B, tennis. Fifth bit. Which is the national slogan of Bangladesh as per the order of the Bangladesh High Court? Option A, Jai Bangla. Option B, Joy Bangla. Option C, Hail Bangla. Option D, Long Live Bangla. Answer just say option B, Joy Bangla. Sixth bit. Hola Mahalla is a festival celebrated in which Indian state? Option A, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Option B, Punjab. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Maharashtra. Answer just say option B, Punjab. Seventh bit. RISE 2020, which was seen in news, is the first global artificial intelligence summit of which country? Option A, France. Option B, United States. Option C, India. Option D, United Arab Emirates. Answer just say option C, India. Eighth bit. Who is the head of the high-level committee of medical experts constituted by the government of India for prevention and control of COVID-19? Option A, Dr. V.K. Paul. Option B, Amitabh Kant. Option C, Rajiv Kumar. Option D, Harshvardhan. Answer just say option A, Dr. V.K. Paul. Ninth bit. Which Indian city is to host the World Productivity Congress 2020? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Lucknow. Option C, Jaipur. Option D, Bengaluru. Answer just say option D, Bengaluru. 10th bit. Which public sector enterprise is the implementing agency of Renewable Energy Management Center scheme? Option A, Power Grid Corporation. Option B, NHPC Limited. Option C, NTPC Limited. Option D, Solar Energy Corporation of India. Answer just say option A, Power Grid Corporation. 11th bit. The commit for working out the operational guidelines of Kisan Rail is formed under the aegis of which ministry? Option A, Ministries of Railways. Option B, Ministry of Agriculture and Farms Welfare. Option C, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Option D, Ministry of MSME. Answer just say option B, Ministry of Agriculture and Farms Welfare. 12th bit. Mukhyamantri Dal Bhat Yojana is an subsidized food scheme of which state government? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Jharkhand. Option D, West Bengal. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి జార్ఖండ్. 13th bit. Which is the first Indian airline to partner with a special economy zone for setting up warehousing facility? Option A, Indigo. Option B, SpiceJet. Option C, Vistara. Option D, Jet Airways. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, SpiceJet. 14th one. Satyarup Siddhant, who was something seen in news recently, is associated with which field? Option A, space research. Option B, mountaineering. Option C, sports. Option D, business. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, mountaineering. Mountaineering. 15th bit. What is the theme of the World Down Syndrome Day 2020? What is the theme of the World Down Syndrome Day 2020? Option A, leaving no one behind. Option B, we decide. Option C, we are you. Option D, together we can. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, we decide. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.